traders, just want to give an update to the pound on the weekly chart. Now the weekly structure still remains up even though we've been pulling back, and last week we got support on this weekly top 126.79. Is that going to hold this week for a move higher? So we do have the US CPI data coming out on Thursday, so things may stay rather range bound, but we have been seeing a little bit of a bid on the pair versus the US dollar over the last 2 to 3 trading days. So have we bottomed out here on the weekly chart at 126.79 for a move higher this week? Can we come up to test 128.48, which is the next level of weekly resistance, and can we be moving up and through this week, keeping that weekly trend in play there? Alright, with that in mind, let's just drop down to the day chart and have a closer look. Alright traders, onto the day chart, drawing a fib across this range. And you can see last week we came below the 79% level, rejected weekly support and back to the 79% level. Then we've been holding there and moving up. Nice positive day yesterday. Now the trend structure is actually down on the daily, it's up on the weekly, so they're in opposition. Now we could actually stall at 127.97, so I'm actually looking to get long to see if we can break above this level over the next 24 hours. Can we come up and test weekly resistance at 128.48 and start moving back up this range? Alright, with that in mind, let's drop down to the 15-minute chart and have a closer look. Alright traders, on the 15-minute chart now, this was Friday's intraday move, positive, then a pullback into Monday. Positive move up through Monday, so I'm looking for the same kind of price action. Can we pull back and then continue the intraday move up at the moment? So I've highlighted an area. I'm looking for a pullback to this area between the 62 level and the 79% level. So the area is 127.41 to 127.28. Do we pull back to this area? We could simply pull back to the 62, the 79, or in between, but this area here, do we pull back to this area? Do we find intraday support today? Can you see you're set up to buy for a move up today to challenge the 127.97 daily resistance level, and can we move above that level today? You can see we got short on Friday, we got short on Monday, so I don't want to be buying anywhere near close to that level because it is acting as resistance. But if we can get a friendly intraday dip watching 127.41 down to 127.28, does that area start to hold a support today on a dip? Can you see you're set up to buy for a move up to challenge 127.97 and the 12800 level there? Can we move through that area today? And fine traders, I'll give you an update this evening in the live Forex trading webinar. If you'd like to join me, simply register at the link below.